Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, March 8th, 2016. It's a beautiful morning out there. We have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the far northern interior, basically around Poughkeepsie, mid to upper 40s over the suburbs, and a few lower 50s are mixed in some of your urban areas. For the most part, we have a light and variable winds with a few isolated showers over eastern Pennsylvania that are rapidly collapsing. For the most part, we're dealing with rather pleasant weather conditions for this morning with no weather impacts on travel expected. On the radar, you can see those showers are collapsing as we do have a few disturbances moving through the region. For the most part, we're going to be dealing with scattered cloud cover today, but I can't rule out an extremely isolated shower that could last about 15 to 20 minutes. No significant precipitation is expected. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see we have this frontal boundary that's just kind of meandering around the region. It's going to gradually wash out as we move on through the day, with high pressure basically in control for today, tomorrow, and for Thursday with some very warm weather conditions. We're talking about highs today in the 60s, highs tomorrow and Thursday in the 70s. Think about this. Friday we had snow. Now we're going to be in the 70s. You gotta love spring, right? So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for sky cloud cover for the most part. Look for temperatures to rise into the lower to mid 60s right along the immediate coast and over Long Island, and mid to upper 60s over much of the Delaware River Valley. Can't rule out touching 70 degrees in a few locations. For this evening, sky cloud cover is expected with a light southwesterly wind, temperatures falling into the 60s and towards the upper 50s. Overnight tonight, look for sky cloud cover, and by tomorrow, sky cloud cover with winds from the southwest around 5 miles per hour and lows in the lower to mid 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, sky cloud cover can be expected. That high pressure system sitting right off the mid-Atlantic coast will draw in plenty of tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico right up into the northern mid-Atlantic, and that's going to lead to temperatures jumping into the lower to mid 70s for highs tomorrow afternoon. In some locations like around Long Island where you get that wind coming right off the Atlantic Ocean, you have temperatures holding in the 60s. On Thursday, we're going to watch this cold front that's going to be approaching the region. I'm holding off the showers until the late evening hours. We're talking about 9 o'clock over eastern Pennsylvania, 10, 11 as we head towards the coast. So for the most part on the day on Thursday, it's going to be very pleasant weather conditions with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s for lows and high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. That's right, you heard it here, mid to upper 70s. Especially in the Philadelphia metro. I would not be surprised at locations just south of Philadelphia, let's say around southwestern New Jersey or even northern Delaware, touch 80 degrees. That is impressive warmth, but it's not going to last. So let's move in towards the weekend. Now for Friday, that cold front will be exiting the coast early in the morning. Look for a few scattered showers, possibly an isolated thunderstorm late Thursday night into Friday morning, but this will be weak and it will be moving fast. By Friday afternoon, high pressure will be building in. This high pressure will bring in a Pacific air mass that will be drying out. So you're going to be dealing with dry air coming off the Appalachian Mountains. That's going to lead to temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows in the morning, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s, but dew points in the 40s is going to feel very refreshing. Now on Saturday, that high pressure system shifts off the coast. We get an easterly wind, a marine air mass builds in. Look for increasing clouds throughout the day, overcast by the afternoon on Saturday, lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs only in the lower to mid 50s, which is still slightly above normal for this time of year. On Sunday, a warm front will attempt to move through the region but will collapse. And that warm front and frontal boundary will kind of meander around the region for Sunday into Monday. So look for scattered showers on both days. On Sunday, we'll have lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. On Monday, lows in the lower to mid 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And on Tuesday, with that cold front exiting off the region, we'll have clearing skies. By the afternoon, showers in the morning though. Look for lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s, which is pretty much where we should be for this time of year. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.